Welcome, everyone watching us through YouTube. Um, right now, this is a London session. Normally, the London session when we're doing. But right now, we're just looking the market. Specifically, we're gonna check the position we trade yesterday. Bienvenidos a todos que nos miran a través del canal de YouTube. Hoy es jueves 14 de noviembre de 2019. Este es uno de los contenidos que vamos a tener en nuestro canal de YouTube, Billionaire Trading Club. Primeramente, vamos nosotros a chequear las posiciones que pusimos ayer en lo que es nuestra mañana de trading de lo que es sesión de trading de Londres. Okay, we're going to check the first thing we're going to do, we're going to check the position. The position from yesterday on our session in London yesterday, Wednesday. So vamos a chequearla ahora. Vamos a ir, the first position was GBP USD. La primera posición fue la libra y el dólar. So vamos a chequear la libra y el dólar. ¿Qué pasó? Aquí está. La tenemos aquí, la libra y el dólar. Ha estado consolidándose. The GBP USD, it was like doing we can call like consolidation right now on the same point, same interest. Está haciendo una consolidación en el nivel de Fibonacci 61. We're doing consolidation and by the levels 61% of the Fibonacci. Why we buying? ¿Por qué compramos? We buying because they was doing like what? Here they was doing like high, low, high, low, double top right there. Then came down to do low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high. And then here we had a crazy news. I think it was like Tuesday. ¿Por qué estamos vendiendo? Porque está alto, bajo, aquí al doble tap, doble alto. Después viene haciendo lo que bajo, alto, aquí así. Entonces, uno de los puntos que estamos comprando es por la noticia que hubo en martes, después viene tocó Fibonacci nivel entre medio 61 y 78, después viene tocó acá otra vez y aquí tocó otra vez. Entonces, ayer nosotros pusimos una posición to buy the GBP USD. So what we waiting? We're waiting today. I think we got news. We got a news in pound today. Let's see. Creo que tenemos noticia del libra a las 4:30. Aquí está. So probably that news before that one coming is the one going to push the whole level to the next level, the GBP USD. They're going to put it right here. So esta noticia que ya les acabo de enseñar, quizá va a ser la noticia que va a impulsar el Fibonacci al nivel 27% del Fibonacci. So, ese es uno de los puntos que entendemos ahora mismo. Denme un momentico. Pasa que tenía esa posición. So what we did yesterday, we put a trade. So in that trade, normally we do put trade. We put two trade. And then in that two trade, what we do, we go in one for 30 pips and another one going for the TP, the 27%. Okay. That's normally what we do. And y normalmente eso es lo que hacemos. Una va por 30 y la otra va por lo que tiene que ver con el take profit número donde está el 27%. 749. Bien, tenía que poner esa posición. Entonces, so now, so let me put in, hold on, checking this position. That's why you're seeing not talking right now, because we need to put it back, that thing. Bien, good. So now, yeah, that was the GBP USD. The other one is, I think it was, the other one is GBP MCD, I think it was. No, that one not. Eurocap, that one is. Yeah, Eurocap. So Eurocap, in Eurocap, we won the first position, was 30 pips. En el euro canadiense ganamos la primera posición, que fueron 30 pips. So, 30 pips, entramos aquí ayer, el mercado se movió alrededor de unos 64 pips. So, nos dio la primera posición, que son 30 pips. La segunda posición va directo al 27%, que son alrededor de unos 224 pips. So, the second position going all the way to 224 pips. So what we're going to do in that one, it's easy. We're going to do trailing stop. If you don't know what is trailing stop, you need to go to, you can find in our academy, we call it IM Mastering Academy. Tú puedes encontrarlo en lo que es la academia de IM Mastering Academy, donde somos parte de ella. Tú puedes encontrar el link, está debajo en lo que es la caja en la descripción del video. Ahí te vamos a dejar el link también. O si quieres, ahí te dejo lo que es mi Instagram. Y por Instagram tú me escribes a través de DM en Instagram, y ahí te dejo saber cómo se hace todo eso. Like, you can subscribe, you can route it to me. I'm gonna leave in the description. I'm gonna leave in my Instagram. You can contact me, and then I can tell you how you can be part of our group and our academy and everything. So the other position where we put it was, let me see, I think it was, let me see, hold on. Okay, it was Eurocap. Yeah, I got Eurocap. Then we put MCD Chef. La otra posición que pusimos fue MCD Chef. So MCD Chef, they moved up 30 pips, 31, 32 pips. So we won the first position, 33 pips. Then came back and we put a stop break even to 2 pips right there. And then we got stopped out. And then the market is still there right now. Normalmente la primera posición nos dio los 30 pips y el mercado pusimos 2 pips de stolos para segunda, por si el mercado se vira hacia abajo, y ya nos sacó. So ahora mismo the market está ahí en la zona de compra. Está haciendo lo que son 2 zonas ahora mismo. Probably that one is the new position que vamos a poner. Quizás ahorita esta va a ser una de las posiciones que vamos a volver a poner, porque no está rompiendo este bajo. Ahora si lo rompe, entonces ya no es una posición viable para nosotros. it's not a good position if they break this low right here. Okay, so that's a quick review for the trade we put yesterday. So let me do a quick review for the whole market quickly. Remember, this video is only 20 minutes for you can see how we analyze the market so quick. Este video solo son 20 minutos para que tú veas cómo lo analizamos. Okay, because we had to start our long session normally. Tenemos que empezar la sesión de Londres cuando se conecten los otros miembros que estamos esperando. Buen día, María, ¿cómo estás? Espero que esté bien. Escríbanos a través de la caja de chat, María. Cualquier pregunta, cualquier inquietud, puede escribir en el chat. Okay. So for those of you watching in YouTube, let's check the market, the whole market. One of the things before I'm going to the GBP, I'm going to check the MCD. Why? Because the MCD yesterday, yesterday was, I think so. It was yesterday. So yesterday, they did a crazy move to up. I think it was, no, it was AUD. So let's check right now all this MCD pairs. So vamos a chequear ahora todos los NZD pares. So the first one is, now I want to kill him. Look at this one. So now in this one, that was the candle for 2 a.m. So in 2 a.m. the candle, I was waiting for this 10 p.m. last night. La vi, yo estaba esperando este movimiento. So look last night. So what we're going to wait in this case, we're going to wait for they retest back again, the same zone, to buy. And then we're going to go to 27%, which is going to be 70 something pips. The stop loss is going to be 36 only. But I have to wait because they already went up a little bit. So I'm waiting for the next touch to buy. I'm going to put it in 2 position right there. So that's going to be a new one. I'll let you know when. For those of you watching live. So, aquí estaba esperando este movimiento a las 10 de la noche, cuando me acuerdo cuando lo vi antes de acostarme, y estaba esperando que toque esta zona. Entonces ahí la tocó a las 2 de la mañana, la tocó a las 11, y a las 11 tocó, hizo el toque. So ese es el NZD NCDJPY. So we're going to check now. Look at this one. That's so here the market is doing what? High, low, high, low. So we're waiting for the market to do 2 things. The market going to 27% here, but I can see the market stop right there. So in this case, we have to be careful. Why? Because the market is not even, you can do like a double top right there. Está haciendo una doble posición de arriba. So anyway, we're waiting for the market come here, 57%, 61%, to see how the market react to this levels right here. If they stop the price right there, then we looking for the reversal, which is the reversal already did it. So we're looking for to buy because the market stopped there. You know, it's a key level from the Fibonacci, which is 50% and 61%. Aquí buscamos, en esta zona, buscamos lo que es una compra, ya que es el nivel de 50%, 61%, para lo que es una compra hacia el 27%. So, la otra es NZD Chef. So, MCD Chef, we're waiting for this movement right there, and it's already happened right there, right in our face, right now. You see right here, in Spanish, says zone of buy. So that's in Spanish say. En español dice, ya usted sabe, es zona de compra. So now what we're going to see, we're going to watch this candle, how they doing it. That's one of the positions for yesterday, by the way. So we're waiting for how they doing it. If they break this key level right there. If they break that level, I'm not joining. I just want to see how they do it. So I'm going to do a quick review for the whole market, and then I'm going to come back live to this position. Ok, vamos a hacer un review rápido para venir a esta posición otra vez. Ok, let me see MCD USD. So MCD USD, I'm waiting for the same thing. They can come to the here. They sold to me to buy to the 27%. So now they're doing what? The market was coming high, 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 low, high, 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 low. No, low, high, low, high, low, low, high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low, 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 high, low. And then we can see the market jumping all the way up again. So that's why now we're going, if you look at, if we put a trend line here, we can see the market already break the trend line. See? So we're going to put it right here. Yes, right there. We can see how the market break the whole trend line, see, and make another level. Here was like a W. People call it W. People call it double bottom. But what we're looking at here is just simple. The market didn't break this level right here. So el mercado no rompió este nivel porque el mercado venía siendo alto, alto, bajo, 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 alto, bajo. Aquí esta zona completa es bajo, bajo, alto, bajo. Miren aquí el bajo, bajo, alto, bajo, bajo, alto. Y aquí veo que ya rompió la zona, entonces ya está en el double bottom. Now, when this key level right here, double top, and then it's coming this way. So are we waiting for this level to go up? Ok, eso es lo que estamos esperando. Lo mismo que yo le he explicado, alto, 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 bajo, bajo, alto, bajo, 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 así. Y aquí rompió la tendencia bajista, entonces con una noticia estamos esperando que baje la zona para lo que fuera un hombro, cabeza a hombro, para nosotros venir a comprar. Familia? So that's the MCD. So let's go straight to the GBP, which is one of the pair in London session. So here we got we can see something here. The GBP, which we call it GJ, is one of the most bigger pairs on the pound pairs. Aquí tenemos lo que la libra gem es uno de los de los pares más poderosos en la libra gem que mueve mucho. So here what we see a levels here, we see a levels here, we see a levels here, and they don't want to touch it the levels, like they don't want to cross down. Ellos no quieren cruzar ese nivel para abajo. Ahora, if they do something like this, we can see like if they do something like this, raise this level like that, and then touch back, then we sell right there. That's the key level for sell. Why? Because we can throw a Fibonacci here, and that's exactly 61% levels. So we can sell it right there, but we need to wait. But they do that. So I just gonna put another line right there, which is not gonna be this one. I'm gonna put let's put this line. This line specific. So we can do that. If the market does that, then we sell it. Okay, that's the GBP and the CD. We'll need to wait for they do the move. Estamos esperando que ellos hagan el movimiento. So next one is GBP USD. GBP USD. What we're doing here, see the touch right there? Came back to touch. So that's the GBP. Oh, so we're gonna go all the way to get it. GBP chef going all over. So we're waiting for the moment here. That moment here to go up to do, or if they do a crazy movement down, then we're gonna put the Fibonacci here to the level they're going, and then we're waiting for the retracement. So that's a GBP chef. So this one, GBP cap is already doing the movement all the way up from where we put it. GBP AUD already did a TP GP2. So we're waiting for the retracement here. If they do it, just remember yesterday, in one of the videos that I did yesterday, en el video que yo hice ayer, marqué estos niveles que estaban bien fuertes. So here, what we're going to do something, because we already win in this position on this type of thing. So what we're going to do, que vamos a hacer acá, we're going to throw another Fibonacci. We're going to get, yeah, put the Fibonacci right there to this level right here, because this level is strong. So vamos a quitamos esta cosa que está acá, and then we wait for the retracement. If they do the retracement to this zone, then we're looking for buy to go to this zone. How many pips we're gonna raise? We're gonna raise, let's say, this zone to this zone right there. We're gonna 38 pips to get 102. That's exactly what we're gonna do. Vamos a arriesgar 38 pips para ganar 102. Este es la libra australiana. Entonces, para ustedes que no están viendo en vivo, ahora mismo, como Larry, Letis y María, chequense el GBP USD, nos sacó, pero está dando otra entrada ahora mismo. ¿Por qué estuve mandando otra entrada? Porque está siendo alto, alto, alto. O sea, ahora mismo estamos siguiendo una zona, un nivel alto. Eso, te pueden comprar ahora mismo la libra y el dólar. Y si rompe estos niveles, entonces salimos del mercado. No esperamos que llegue el stop loss. So you can buy now. If you like now with us, pueden comprar la libra y el dólar. ¿Ok? Lo voy a mandar otra vez al grupo de Telegram para que sepan que estoy dentro otra vez. Porque no sacó break-even. So we got a Telegram group. For those of you watching through YouTube, we have a Telegram group too, which our team, they are part of it, our Telegram group, okay? So, yes, so I was in GBP AUD. So now let's put a GBP MCD. GBP MCD doing something crazy because the news they did it Tuesday took us all the way down. So we're waiting for the retracement to this zone to sell, to continue sell. Why? Because they if you put a trend line, we can put a trend line here. And no, that was not a trend line. That's a trend line right there. So we put a trend line, they break it when the whole news, they break it. So they broke the whole trend line. Ellos rompieron toda la línea de tendencia para nosotros lo que es una noticia fuerte. Nos sacaron break-even, pero en verdad no sacaron break-even. Lo que hicieron es que extendieron el spread y nos sacaron 102 pips. Una locura. Okay, so we got Euro GBP going up again to the same level. They continue touching the trend line here to continue sell. The Euro cap. In Euro cap, we going up. We have the position right here. We're gonna go. We going up. Euro USD. In Euro USD, we won this position. We sent this trade. I think it was Monday or no Tuesday. And then we won the trade right there. We just waiting for they doing whatever they're doing right there to see what we're going to win that trade. Euro GBP and Euro GBP, we're waiting for that retracement specific right now is happening. So let me just change the Fibonacci, put it at the key level, which is in the bottom. So we're waiting for they touch that zone to sell. Sí, zona de venta en español. Estamos esperando que ellos hagan con ese retracement que están haciendo para nosotros vender en el mercado. El Eurochef, exactly, we're doing the same thing. We're waiting for the market go back to this zone to the we can sell. Euro AUD, because the news yesterday was crazy. So we're waiting for the retracement right now. They don't want to do the retracement. Yesterday, by the way, for those of you who are live, para ustedes que están en vivo, ayer, ¿se acuerdan cuando yo puse la línea aquí arriba que dije que iba a llegar al 27% y todo eso? En el mercado como llegó al 27%. So, ahora estamos esperando que venga y haga lo que es el high-low. Ahora estamos esperando que ponga el alto-bajo para nosotros comprar, seguir comprando en el AUD, el euro australiano. El euro MCD, tenemos lo que estamos esperando el euro MCD es que regrese a esta zona para nosotros vender, ya que esta es una zona clave en el mercado, el cual se ha mantenido muy bien. So we're waiting for this, they going back to this zone, then we can sell. Why? Because it's a key level, 61%, 50% from the Fibonacci levels, or it's a key level for support and resistance and pullback zone. So another one, AUD MCD, exactly the same thing. We're waiting for they going to the same zone, back to the zone, back to this trend line. Then we can sell, oh, at least back to this level right here. AUD USD, we're waiting for the same thing in AUD USD, AUD cap. In AUD cap, yesterday we placed a buy. So there was one like flag going down in correction. And then the news from yesterday, because it was the news, took all the way down here to this level between 61% to 78%. Our stop loss is still right here. We're only losing 20 pips right now. Ahora mismo compramos aquí porque el precio venía en frente bandera, corrigiéndose hacia abajo. Tomamos la posición de comprar, pero en la noticia de ayer nos lanzó a otro nivel de 78 y 61% entre medio de ese nivel. So, ahora mismo el precio se está agarrando ahí, ya que no tiene noticia que lo siga punchando más para abajo. Entonces, nuestro stop loss está aquí en el 88%. Solo estamos esperando qué va a pasar, ya que tenemos todavía un nivel bueno, que es el 78%. Para nosotros venir positivo, la segunda posición 30 pips, la tercera posición en lo que es 113 pips. Ok, so AUD JPY, AUD JPY, estamos esperando por el retroceso. We're waiting for the retracement in AUD JPY. What we can do in AUD JPY, we don't have to wait. What we're going to do, we're going to put a Fibonacci in this key level right here to see if they're going back to key levels, specifically this low right here. Because I'm seeing the market moving a little by little by little by little. So I'm waiting for this. Then we're not going to reach so much. And then the key levels right there. Another thing is AUD Chef. Same thing. I'm going to put a Fibonacci later. Lie. And then I already did that analysis for the MCD GBP. Let me see the MCD Chef. How they doing, you see? I'm not joined to this trade, not yet, because they're going straight candle all the way down. That's a strong candle. So I'm waiting for something else. In specific, they breaking this level. So we took this, it already took us like a break even. Oh, if they do like a crazy, if they do a hammer like this one, then it's gonna be a buy. So a buy for us. So let's wait for that. And then USD JPY. USD JPY, easy. USD JPY doing here the same song. So we're waiting for USD JPY. Hold on, that's not there. You see right here, right here, right here, boom. Good. So I can see the market here going double top right there. Low, high, low. I think it's in level. Yeah, low, high, low, and low, high. So I'm waiting for they going to do the low, high here, so we can sell and make how many pips? We're gonna make 43 pips, and then here we're gonna make to the stop loss it will be 17 pips only. So we have to wait for the New Year session for that. Probably I think they're gonna do it for New Year session now. USD Chef moving down. USD cap is waiting all the way there, and the level is waiting on the level there. And then we got the gold. We got the gold here, so we don't go moving. They're doing whatever they want to there. So that was a session for us in London session for those of you watching in YouTube. And then we're going to continue when the video live for the members are here on live session. So for those of you watching it through YouTube right now, that's a resume about how we're doing the trading in our London session. If you want to be part of this group, all you have to do is just go to the Christian. I'm going to put in my Instagram right there. And then you can follow me on Instagram, DM me through Instagram, and then I can help you with that. Okay? Para ustedes que no me siguen, esta es una sesión de Londres de nosotros, revisión rápida del mercado de la posición de ayer. Y también puedes seguirme a través de Instagram, que va a estar en la descripción, y ahí me puede mandar un DM para lo que es para darte todos los contactos, cómo puede hacer parte. Se acuerda, dale like a este video, comparte el video, entonces para nosotros seguir manteniendo este contenido todos los días. Así que pasen buenas y see you in the next section. Bye for those of you watching in YouTube.